Hello and welcome to another unboxing. Today we have a pulse watch from Makibes and it's the HR3 model. The box looks nice, but there's not too much information around it, so let's have a look inside it. Here is written, every winner has a story, just start and find the way to success. Here's the bracelet itself. And not surprisingly, there's a manual. I will just show it quickly, so click pause if you want to read anything. The watch looks nice and the materials feel good. There's a screen protector on it, and the drawing shows how to remove the band to charge it. Let's just remove that. Most types of these bands look very similar, so it's nothing surprising here. It doesn't look cheap though. The case got a grey metallic look to it, although it's made fully of plastic. On the back is the HR sensor. The size is good and it doesn't look bulky or too thick in any way. The lines on the bands look good and the materials feel good. I don't think this will attract dust like those cheaper silicone bands. It's flexible enough and has enough holes for adjusting the band's length. On the back you can also see what side the charger connector is. Let's remove the bands so we can see it. The bands sit on very tight, so you'll have to give it a nice pull to get it off. It's a standard USB, just plug this into any USB power source like a phone charger or laptop. When fully charged, the battery lasts about a week. The bands fit on very well, so no problem with loose bands here. It's also IP67 water and dust resistant. While charging, it will show you an animation of the charging progress with a blue color. The main screen shows you time, date, battery, pulse, day and time. You can also cycle through steps, distance, calories, pulse, sleep monitoring, stopwatch, notifications, find device, power, dials, background, and software information. For the main screen, you can select between 3 different dials. Just go to dials and hold on the touch area. Find the one you like and hold the button again to set. To install the app, you can scan the QR code or just search for WearFit 2.0. When it's installed and opened, click Me at the bottom. And Connection Manager, connect band, and choose Makibes HR3. It's also got remote camera and all you need to do is shake the watch to take a picture. Notifications are shown with names on the incoming calls. You cannot reject or answer the call from the band. Incoming messages can be read by tapping the touch area. The app is actually quite good and easy to use. On the top is the daily activity results, calories, steps and distance. Clicking it will show more detailed information with graphs on top and a more detailed daily activity at the bottom. By swiping on the date, you can get details about the previous days. Here's also week and month summary. The sleep data is also quite detailed and accurate. It will show you the sleep quality based on your deep sleep, light sleep and awake time, both in graphs and more detailed views below. Also here you can see week summary and month summaries. In management you can see the battery status, turn on or off the automatic lighting. You can set what types of reminders you want, set the alarm clock, sedentary reminders, other app notifications, and quiet hours. Here is the fatigue data, which is registered once per hour. Also here is weekly and monthly summaries. The weekly reports show the total and average results of the current week. Here you can start remote camera and find bracelet if you misplaced it. In the Me section you find information about yourself and your goals. This is also where you need to go to change settings like kilometers, miles, inches, centimeter and such. The app can also connect to Google Fit or WeChat. The app is actually quite good and I'm very happy with it. It shows detailed information about all the expecting things like steps, distance, HR, sleep monitoring. I also like the user interface, it looks good and it's easy to use. That should cover most of it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remind to subscribe, comment and like. Have a nice day.